Hello everyone. Today, we will introduce you to an efficient and practical metal baler, which will completely change the way you handle metal waste. Now, what we see is a control panel of the machine. The operation is simple and easy to understand. Through these buttons, you can easily control various functions of the baler. First of all, we put the metal waste into the baler through the feed inlet. The machine adopts a powerful hydraulic drive system with strong power, which can quickly compress the metal waste. Look, under the strong pressure, the metal waste is gradually compressed into a tight block. This not only greatly reduces the volume, but also facilitates subsequent transportation and storage.